Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to discuss how to do data import based on our server and our information on our server. So first off, we'll log ourselves in and we'll go to stock and we'll basically go to a supplier manager. So for example, I've got a new supplier that just come in. I've just typed in Nature's Menu, for example. So I put them into our supplier manager system, but I've got no data on them whatsoever. Now, obviously, if you get data from them, there's another way to import that. But right now, I'm just going to show you how to do it from our server. So we go to Supplier Data Importer, and then this then pops up. So what we want to do, we want to click on this one right here. And then what we'll do is, there's a little filter search down here. So what we'll do is we'll have a quick search for Nature's Menu. Okay, so there you go. So there's all the ones we've got on there right now. Generally speaking, obviously, there's a lot of old and new data on there as well. So obviously, we can't accept any responsibility for supplier data accuracy. But obviously, once we get it all uploaded so everyone has access to it as long as you're in support. So effectively, what we'll do is, so there we've got one for there from August. But for this particular purpose, we'll just go for this one here because there's not many, so I don't want to take this too long on the video. So it'll select, and obviously it gives you a quick preview of the information here. Once you've selected which one you want to import, we'll basically go to step 2, and then what we need to do is this little drop down box. So we need to select which supplier we want all this information to link onto, which is going to be Nature's Menu there. Now, generally speaking, there's different ways to import it. So you can base it on barcode, supplier code, internal reference code, or name of item. Generally speaking, we always recommend to go on barcode because that's generally the most unique thing about the product. Obviously, what this can do as well, you've already got information about them on the system, but you need to update it. This will also obviously update any different fields as well. So if you want to do a complete new supplier cost import, this is the best way to do it. So what we'll do a quick preview first. So you can actually do a preview and check obviously the information, make sure obviously what is going on is what you're expecting. So there you go, preview complete. Gives you a quick show of what's going on, what's going to be imported, etc. Based on obviously the information you can see here. You can go across here like so. Once you're happy with it, literally just click commence import. And what that'll do, that'll put for all those products straight onto your database, ready to be used. Okay on that, close that, and just to check that, we'll go to Stock Manager, and we'll go to Supplier Name, and let's go to Nature's Menu, Search, and there you have it. So there's all the products that we've literally just uploaded now. So that's a nice, quick, easy way of doing it. So there you have it. Like I said, the next video will be coming out. Will be basically showing how to do it based on obviously their own data sheets they send to you as well. Obviously, if you ever need any help doing that, obviously we're perfectly here to help you for that. And we've also got some import templates as well that will make it a lot easier for you as well. So check us out next time. Take care. See you now.